Hi, I'm Moshmi, and today I'm going to talk about allelochemicals and its role in uh, plant and insect interaction. So let's start. So in this presentation, we will discuss about allelochemicals and how they can influence the insect-plant relationship. So what is allelochemicals? Allelochemicals are the biochemicals that are released from different plant parts. So they are believed to be non-nutritional secondary metabolites. They are called as non-nutritional because they do not take part in the metabolism of the plant. But they have both positive and negative effect on the growth and survival of the neighboring organisms like insects and microbes. And here I have mentioned the different types of allelochemicals. They are phenolic compounds, they are alkaloids, they are terpenoids, and there are also some other allelochemicals. So, as I have mentioned that allelochemicals are present in the different parts of the plant. So now, how they're released from this from plants. So they can be released from the leaves, flowers, and other aerial parts of the plant by rain, snow, etc. And sometimes from the decaying of the plant residues and also by the root exudation. So insects are dependent on various host plants for survival and growth, and many allelochemicals are considered to be toxic for herbivorous insects. However, in the period of evolution, insects have adapted themselves to many toxic chemicals. And one of such adapted mechanism is uh, biochemical resistance mechanism of insect against these toxic chemicals. So they have attained this biochemical resistance mechanism through the enzymatic detoxification process. So in this enzymatic detoxification process, insect uses the detoxifying enzymes to help them in such detoxification reactions. So these enzymes are mostly present in the midgut and Malpighian tubules of insect, and these enzymes helps to convert the lipid soluble, or we can say the lipophilic chemicals, to water soluble or hydrophilic chemicals. So this conversion helps these molecules to accumulate them in lipid-rich tissues rather than the penetration through the cell membrane. So this event actually reduces the biological activities, or we can say the toxic activities of such compounds. So here are some of the stimulatory or positive effect of allelochemicals that sometimes allelochemicals may act as an oviposition stimulus, and some herbivore insect can also use these allelochemicals from their host plants as protection against natural enemies, and some insect can also synthesize pheromones from allelochemicals of their host plants. However, this is not the case always. An insect cannot get rid of all the allelochemicals always through the enzymatic detoxification process. So now we will discuss some other activities of this different types of allelochemicals one by one. So first we will go and discuss, we will go for this phenolic compounds, and this phenolic compounds includes the aromatic phenol, tannin, some flavonoids, hydroxyl, and etc. So rotenone is one of the common isoflavonoid that is used commercially as insecticide. Tannin is also reduce the fecundity of insects, and sometimes condensed tannins also discourages the feeding and also reduces the protein digestion of different insects. Then another type of common allelochemicals are alkaloids, and alkaloids includes the caffeine, the gramine, and nicotine. And they also shows allelopathic effect, like nicotine used as insecticide. And tomatine is a major alkaloid which are mostly found in the tomato, and it inhibits the potato beetle from feeding. However, some insects like milkweed aphids, they have adapted themselves to feed on milky sap, and also the other cardiac glycosidides. They're secreted by the dogben family. Dogben family is also now that known as Apocyanaceae, and these are called as the dogben family because some taxa of this of this Apocynaceae family used as dog poison. Then another common allelochemicals are terpenoids, and a number of allelochemicals are present in terpenoids. So some act as an attractants for pollinators, but also toxins for other insects. We are also very familiar with the chrysanthemum flower, and pyrethroids is a toxic monoterpens that is derived from the chrysanthemum, also used as insecticides. So then sesquiterpenoid gossypil from cotton plant also makes the plant resistance against insect like cotton bollworm. Then cucurbita plants are also the feeding their deterrents, that is they forbid the insect from feeding for a large number of phytophagous insects. So phytophagous insects are those who are feeds on the plants. But at the same time, they also serve as attractants for red pumpkin beetle. Then Azadirachta indica, that is a commonly used insecticide that is isolated from the neem tree, also well known for its insecticidal behavior. So allelochemicals are not very commonly read topic for zoology students. So I have taken the help of some research papers and books to prepare this small presentation on allelochemicals. So there are some other types of allelochemicals also I have presented here. And so these are the research paper and topics that I have taken the help to prepare this small presentation. I One book is also there. So I hope this will help you. So thank you.